Ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome to my channel. This is my second video for this YouTube thing. I'm trying to learn it. And I started things off by buying a new camera. I didn't want to use this phone. It's a bit too phony. So I bought this. It's a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And I think it's pretty nice. I think because you clicked on this video, you know what it is. You've seen like 50 videos about it. And they all say it's great. And it really is. The specs are there. There's no question about it. It's super handy. And I bought the creator combo. And it comes with the external mic, wireless, super handy, really good quality. Extra battery, extended battery actually. Super nice. You can charge it differently. So you can still use the camera while you charge this. And when you're done, you can just plug this in and this charges the battery of the camera. And then a tripod mount. But there's no, what's it called? You can't screw this on here. You have to put the little thing that's attached to my tripod at the moment. So I can just like stick this to a normal tripod and it's good to go. Then there's the case. So you can actually put it in your pocket. It doesn't break the gimbal. Additional lens, 10mm. And this is 20 by default. Yeah, and you can also add a black mist filter there if you want. It's all magnetic. Super nice. But yeah, you should start using this and see what it's made of. I have no idea what I'm gonna film, but I'm gonna film something. Let's go. someone disliked it. Yeah, sorry about that. But the camera is solid.